welcome to Nina's Kitchen. Today I will make a very unique item, which is the pumpkin veggies, or you can say roasted pumpkin. Pumpkin is a very good for the especially diabetes person. It's a very high fiber and less cholesterol. So I will try to make this roasted pumpkin or pumpkin veggies. You can make it into the oven, or you can make into the microwave, or you can make it in the air fry. The best way, you can make it into the air fry or in the oven. The first of all, I bought this pumpkin. I made this little pieces, take out all the seeds from inside, and I will peel them. The skin of the pumpkin is too hard, so I have peeled them out. I will make the pieces. Friends, you can see that I have cut them into the pieces. You can make the pieces according to your choice. You can make the slices, or you can make the cubes. Now I will wash them properly. Today I will roast them into the oven because my quantity is enough. Sometimes if you have a less quantity, or it's your choice, you can put it into the air fry too. And when you make it into the air fry or the oven, it takes only 1 or 2 teaspoons of the oil. Meantime, what I have done, I will start my oven to warm it up at 375 degree, or you can make it up to the 400 degree too. It's up to your oven. Now my oven is warming up. Meantime, I have taken the tray, which is the pizza pan, put cover with the aluminum foil, put slight oil on it, and now I will add some spices into this pumpkin. First of all, I will add 1 tablespoon of the oil, salt according to your choice. I will add some red chili powder, or if you don't like it, you can put the Kashmiri chili powder too. And I will add some mango powder. If you don't want to add the mango powder, you can put some chaat masala too. And I will add little bit of the powder of the black pepper powder. The spice level you can choose according to your taste. Friends, pumpkin is, when it turned out to be a little bit soft. So I will add a 1/4 teaspoon of the corn flour, so it makes a light, nice coating and little bit crispy coating. Now I will mix them up. I will use my hands to mix them up. I washed my hands properly, so I don't need to wear the gloves. Otherwise, you can use the gloves too. I will let it marinate for at least 5 to 10 minutes. If you would like, you can marinate for a longer time, so all the spices can mix up properly. I will let it sit till my oven gets hot. Friends, after 10 minutes, my oven is getting ready now. So what I will do, I will put the pumpkin into the tray. Friends, you can see that I have put them single layer into the tray with the aluminum foil, and I'll put it into the oven for 20 minutes. Friends, after the 20 minutes, I took it out from the oven, and still it is a bit hard. So what I will do, I'll change the side one by one and put it back into the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes to get it more tender. Friends, I have changed the side again, and I'll put it in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes till it get tender and cooked properly. Friends, after 15 minutes I took it out from the oven and you can see that it has been fully cooked. It's very nice tender. To make sure it's cooked or not, I will put one of the fork inside and see it has been cooked very properly and it's turned out to be a very crispy. Now I'll take it out into the plate. Friends, you can see that it has been cooked properly, very crispy, because I coated with this corn flour, and this is totally optional if you like it, and if you like more crispy you can put it on the broil. It makes a little bit darker, but I don't like dark, so I will keep as it is, fully cooked, and it's really good. In order to make it little bit more tasty, I will put some herbs on the top to have a nice flavor, and top of it I will put some coriander. Friends, you can see that it's looks very nice, very healthy, and it cooks within the less than 1 tablespoon of the oil. And pumpkin is a very high fiber vegetable and low carbohydrate. It's really good for the diabetic person. So people who don't want to eat the potato veggies, they can try these pumpkin veggies too. You can make any shape, you can slice them, you can cube them, and you can put them in the oven or into the air fry. If you can make this item at your home, it's good for the appetizer when your friends or family comes. And also, if you like my item, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also try to share with your family and friends. Friends, thank you for watching my channel and see you again.